Hello everyone, I am Don Rex W. I'm a final year EC student in Marathon College of Engineering and Technology. So one of my professors approached me with a project idea titled Dual Security Vault System, the ones you usually see in a bank or a jewelry or any place containing a high valuable item. It sounded like a good project to work on. So I went home that day and looked up on the internet and researched as to how to do it. And I personally found it fascinating. So I called my professor and informed him, yeah, definitely do it. So the components we have chosen are microcontrollers like Arduino Uno, ESP32 along with ESP32 cam, actuators like servo motor and stepper motor, displays like LCD 16 cross tube I2C, and miscellaneous components like solenoid lock, fingerprint sensor, push button, forecaster keypad, 5-volt relay, and a 12-volt 3 ampere DC power supply. The project consists of three main stages. The first stage is to implement a fingerprint-enabled sliding door. The second stage is to implement a secure vault with facial recognition and pin entry mode. And the third stage and final stage is to interface both these stages, so in the case of a security breach, the entire system goes on lockdown. Now we will sequentially walk you through how our project functions. So let's begin, shall we? So this is me right here. I'm about to enter the bank to access the vault, which has my cash in it. So I am stepping inside the bank. Once I'm near the sliding door, I have to place my fingerprint to unlock it. It's opening. Now I enter. Now I'm inside of the vault room. Wait for it to close. Okay, now I can either use my face or the 4-digit pin given to me to open the door. I choose to use the 4-digit pin for now. As you can see, the vault is opening. Now I go in, I take some cash. Okay, I got my desired cash. Now I can leave. I enter my fingerprint again. I walk outside the bank with my cash, of course. Now I will show you what happens if someone who is unauthorized enters the vault by some means. Now he'll enter, the facial recognition will of course fail. And if he chooses to enter pin mode, he'll go here. He'll need to know the pin, or if he fails twice, there's 2 attempts by default. He used up 1. There's 2 gone. Now the entire system will go on a lockdown mode. Nobody can get in, nobody can get out. And also it will send a message to the Telegram account. And of course there will be an audible alarm playing. Now it's going to stay that way until a security comes in and lifts the lockdown. Now let's assume that security is me. The lockdown is now lifted, everything, but the alarm stops playing and everything goes back to normal. So this right here is the code to interface with the fingerprint sensor. We have two primary functions. One is to enroll the fingerprint. Anyone can enroll your fingerprint at the press of a button. The next is to retrieve the enrolled fingerprints. If you want to open the door with the fingerprint sensor, this function retrieves the saved fingerprint templates from the memory of the fingerprint sensor and opens the zipper door, which is controlled by the function right here. You can see here. This direct pin it goes to the Servo driver, the A4988 driver, and this loop opens the door. Also, it gives feedback to the LCD as well. Now, after you enter the sliding door, you are now in the vault room. Inside the vault room, there's a vault with cash in it. Now, to open it, you have two methods. One is use your face, and the other is to use the 4-digit PIN assigned to you by the bank. If the face recognition fails, you can resort to using the keypad to enter your PIN. You have two attempts. I have a pre-given password here for the keypad, which will open the vault. If you use up your two attempts, the entire system will go on a lockdown. Everything will go shut down unless the security comes in and opens the door. Also, it sends a message to a Telegram channel. Like you can see here, it's a function to send Telegram message, and it sends it to this API right here, and this is a user code. Every Telegram account has a unique user code. If you wanted to send it to your phone, you need to enter your ID here. And sends this message. It prints this message called intruder alert. You can of course modify it. Also, it triggers a buzzer as well. It triggers an alarm, and it keeps repeating until the security opens the door. So this is the ESP32 camera code, which enables facial recognition. So that was our project. I hope you learned something valuable from it. And if you want the source code, you can find it linked below in the description. And by the way, this is Sharan sir who took the initiative for this project.
Thank you, Don Reis, for supporting me in this project, and you have done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Please do subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.
Subscribe to source code subscribe to source code or I will kidnap your entire family.
I really?
I promise. Now once more. So it's